just a gift of a lifetime for us.
As I fall under your spell, I hold on tight.
Who have brought us all together to celebrate them.
I'm so proud to be your wife.
I can't wait to continue to adventure through life together, make new memories, and start a family of our own.
I love you so much.
You may now kiss the bride. Congratulations.
All I've seen is growth in the love that they have for each other and the absolute admiration that they have for each other. Wishing them all of life's blessings and the most wonderful, happy life together.
We have an incredible night ahead of us of celebrating their love.
To Andrea and Lynden, and to the love that they share.